Assalamu alaikum sir, I am Sadegul Islam. My any last four digit is 1796. Today I am going to present our project title EliteRun Shoes. Software requirements specification for an online shoe store. This project is focused on designing a complete requirements document for an online shoe shopping system. Here our team member Anushka Alom and get Taslim Jahin, Ubi Devnath and Shariar Hassan. Then introduction. This slide explains the main purpose of our software requirements specification, also known as the SRS document. The SRS clearly defines what our system is, what it is need, and what problems it is designed to solve. The EliteRun Shoe system allows customer to browse source online, place order easily, and make secure payment without visiting a physical store. This slide shows what important sections are included in our SRS document. It contains functional requirements, non-functional requirements, system feature, user classes, interface, and specification, and different UML diagram such as use case, activity, and sequence diagram. Also include system contains assumption and dependencies. All this selection together help ensure that the system is properly planned. Then the system architecture. This slide explains the system architecture and the external services. Our system uses the SSL Commerce payment gateway to ensure secure and reliable online transactions. It also uses email and SMS notification service through SMTP so that customers can receive order complications and updates instantly. Additionally, a chatbot and NLP API is included to provide automated support to customers. The entire system uses three layers: presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. This slide shows the database design of our online show store system. We have several main tables. The user table stores user information such as user ID, name, mail, password, hash, and role. This helps manage both customers and admins securely. The product table store all product details, including product ID, price, size, color. Order related information like orders ID, user ID, total price, payment method, and so on. Then to link orders with product, we use the order items table. The coupons table manage discount codes with their values, user limits, and expired dates. Finally, the admin logs table keeps track of admin activities for security and monitoring. That's all my part. Now my fellow teammate will be continue. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is Anika Tasnim Jahin. The last four digits of my ID is 1767. Now I will talk about the functional requirements of our project, which explain that the system can actually do. First is user management. In our system, user can create an account using email and password, and their authentication is checked during login. The system also prevents checkout without login to ensure security. All passwords are stored securely using encryption. Next is product browsing. Users can browse shoes by category such as men, women, and children. They can also view products details like size, images, and prices. If a product is out of stock, the system automatically notifies the user. Then comes shopping and checkout. Users can add or remove items from the cart, choose either online payment or cash on delivery. And final For cash on delivery, an extra charge is applied. Finally, the system records all order details so that user and admins can track them later. So these functional requirements ensure that our online shoe store works smoothly for both customer and administrators. Next is non-functional requirements. Now I will explain the non-functional requirements which focus on performance and quality, not specific features. For performance, our system is designed so that the page loading time is under 3 seconds in normal condition. The system can support more than 200 users at the same time during busy hours. The API response time is kept under 2 seconds on average, which helps the website remain fast and responsive. Also, the checkout process completes within 5 seconds, so users don't get frustrated while making payments. These non-functional requirements make sure our system is not only functional but also fast, reliable, and user-friendly, which is very important for an e-commerce website. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Obi Devnath. My ID last four digit is 1833. So in this presentation, my topic is non-functional requirement. So at first, security. Security is very important for our online shoes store because customer share private information such as password and payment details. To keep everything safe, the system use HTTP SSL encryption, which protect all data sent between the user and the website. Passwords are stored using secure hashing. So even if someone entered the database, they cannot see real password. We also protect the system from common attack like SQL injection, XSS. These attacks are can steal data or change website behavior. So strong protection is necessary. Only the admin can enter the admin panel, which adds another layer of security. And finally, the payment system follows PCI DSS standard, meaning the payment gateway is safe and are trusted. Next one is quality attribute, usability. This means the website should be easy to use for everyone. It should look clean and simple, and it must work well on mobile phone because many customers shop from their phone. Reliability. Our system should be available most of the time with a 99% uptime generated. That means user can shop without interruption. Maintainability. The system is built with organization and well-documented code. So develop can update it or fix issue easily. Scalability. As the business grows, the system should be able to handle more user, more product and more sale. And last of all, probability. That means the website should work on the major browser such as Chrome, Firefox, etc. My next topic is admin panel feature. So at first, product management. So here we can see we can work, add, edit or remove shows and picture. Then order management. See update and track customer order. User management. Manage customer account. System configuration. Change site setting like that text, delivery, option, etc. Discount and coupon. Create and manage sell and coupon codes. That's all about for me. Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Myself, Muhammad Shahriar Hassan. My ID is last four digit 1498. I will discuss about the use case diagram for our project EliteRun Shoe. This diagram helps us understand who uses the system and what actions each other can perform. In our system, there are three types of users. First of all, guest user, the customer, and the admin. First, we have the guest user. A guest user is someone who visits the website but has not logged in yet. They can browse products, see product details, and look around the store. However, they cannot place an order. If they want to buy something, they must create an account or login. So the guest user has limited access. Next, we have the customer. Once a user logs in, they become a customer and they get the full access. A customer can browse products, add items to the cart, remove items, and finally place an order. They can also use the chatbot to get help if they need information or support. So the customer represents the main user flow for shopping. Finally, we have the admin. The admin is responsible for managing the whole system. They can add new products, update product information, set discounts, manage user accounts, and process orders. Basically, the admin keeps the website updated, secure, and functioning properly. Now, moving on to the activity diagram. This diagram shows the complete step-by-step checkout process in our system. The process begins when a user, either a guest or logged-in user, starts browsing the website. They look in different shoes, they select the select ones they like, and they add them into the cart. Once the items are in the cart, the system checks if those items are available in the stock. If the user is a guest, they cannot continue until they log in or create new account. This step ensures that the system can store either their order, delivery address, and payment details securely. After logging in, the customer provides their shipping information, such as name, address, and phone number. This information is needed for the delivery process. Then the customer chooses a payment method. They can either pay online using the payment gateway, or they can select cash on delivery. If they choose an online payment, the system sends their information to the payment gateway, and the payment is processed securely. If they choose cash on delivery, they can move forward without any online transaction. Finally, once the payment is confirmed or COD is selected, the system finalizes the order and sends a confirmation message to the customer. This marks the end of the checkout process. So that's all from my side. My next team member will discuss the others.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Anushkalam. The last 4 digits of my ID are 1717. Now I'll explain the sequence diagram of the EliteRun Shoe system. This diagram shows how different system components interact during the checkout process. The interaction starts with the customer interface, where the user selects items and proceeds to checkout. Next, the shopping cart component sends the request to validate the 6 selected items. Once the user attempts to place an order, the request moves to the authentication service, which verifies whether the user is logged in. If authentication is successful, the system forwards the details to the order management system, where the order is created and processed. If the user chooses online payment, the order management system connects with the payment gateway to complete the transaction. After payment confirmation, the order information is stored in the database, and finally a confirmation message is sent back to the customer. Overall, this diagram clearly represents the flow of control between the front-end, back-end payment gateway and database during the checkout process. This slide contains our TBD or pending issues, which are the items that still require clarifications or decisions. These may include unresolved requirements, integration uncertainties, feature enhancements, or constraints that must be finalized before moving to development. The purpose of this list is to ensure transparency and to highlight areas that need further discussion among team members and stakeholders. In conclusion, the SRS provides a complete picture of how the EliteRun Shoe system will function. This clearly defines the system's requirements, features, and constraints, which helps the development team create a reliable and secure platform. The document also ensures smooth communication among stakeholders and provides a strong foundation for future expansions. For example, adding more product categories or introducing a dedicated mobile app. Thank you so much. That concludes our presentation.